Sa inyo lahat. Oo nga pala, ulit si Dan nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Saan lang yung Akai Onna? Well, nabasa ko yung, hindi ko naman nabasa, konti. Well, napanood ko na to sa ibang streamer, sa ibang content creator, sa ibang YouTuber. Well, ang kalaban natin dito yung malaking babae. Well, ang napanood ko lang na part is yung sa part ng jumpscare lang nila like yung sa may apartment, tapos lalabas ka. Yun lang, yung jumpscare lang na yun. Yun pala yung napapanood ko. Well, yung buong game, hindi ko pa nasubukan. So, well, yeah. Ang kalaban natin dito yung malaking katawang babae na may malaki. Like, bro, nag-gym siya. I swear, like, ang laki ng katawan niya. So, yeah, ganun lalarin natin siya. Ano, painihintay natin. Subuhan ko na. So, it's the time to play this game. 10:21. So, probably October. Huh? I got home late. Ibig sabihin ito. It's dark around here and I need to get home soon. It's dark around here and I need to get home soon. Move, W, okay, interact, flashlight, okay, we got flashlight, complementary horror game, flashlight, we got crouch, shift to run, good, I think. Bro, laki ng katawan niya. Ito yung mangmumuli siya sa atin, bro. Tignan niyo yung katawan niya. Ito yung kalaban natin dito. Like, ang laki ng katawan. Look at her, bro. Siya yung kalaban eh. Ilang protein na kinain mo? Ang dami nitong protein. Nag-gym ka rin, Bob? Hey, baby. Long time no see. Hello, long time no see. Hey, baby. Laki ng katawan mo. Nag-gym ka ba? And, yeah. Nakangiti na siya. Bro, ang creepy. Uy! Gulit ako. Like, ilang chicken breast kinain mo sa isang taon? Isang taon ka ata kumain ng chicken breast eh. Like, bro, ang dami protein sa katawan. Nakangiti pa siya. Well, galing ka ata sa bar. I think so. Talaga ako sa mga kaya maglaro ng horror game kasi kung ako, di ako kakayanin. Well, pinipilit ko lang maglaro ng horror game sarili ko. Kahit ako, hindi ko siguro kaya maglaro. I think. Di naman niya siguro tayo susundan, no? Like, bro, mabilis ba siya tumakbo? No, I think. Kasi kamay lang ang malaki sa kanya, hindi paa. O baka tumakbo siya gamit yung paa niya, I think. Baka tumakbo siya gamit yung kamay niya. Seems pretty dangerous. I'm scared I have to go home soon. Oh, I think here. Hindi naman siguro niya tayo habulin, no? Saan? Asa yung... You mean here? Asa yung... Pauwi. Oh, here. Ano nakalagay? Prohibition of illegal dumping. Oh, okay. 10 million yen, fine. Okay. So, bawal magtapon ng basura. Well, yeah, may nagtapon ng basura. Huh? Lumulaw? Okay, nahati tayo sa multa. Yung babae yung malaki katawan nagtapon nito dito, I swear, promise. O, hindi niya tayo susundan, guys. Like, bro, ang laki ng katawan niya. Pwede niya tayo lamugin sa isang suntok. Like, daig niya pa si Saitama. Sobrang laki ng katawan eh. Okay, I think here. Ba't wala namang kwenta yung flashlight natin? Well, ang ganda talaga sa Japan. As you can see, guys. Like, ang ganda. Pero ang creepy lang kasi sobrang daming urban legends nila. Like, kakaiba yung urban legends nila. I think urban legends din to. Itong babaeng malaking katawan na to. Like, gym rat. Ito ba't? Oh, anong room yan? Okay, sa pinaka taas. Room. Dulo. I think. So, para siya yung haunted property na laro ko last time. Para siyang haunted property. Baka same lang sila nung gumawa nito nung game. Oh, ito na yung pinaka-taas. 4th floor. Wait lang. Ito yung pinto, nakapasok na tayo, okay? So, bathroom. Wala ka bang Oh, may ilaw naman pala. Yung front door. Sala, I think. Living area. Living room. Turn that off. Huh? Oh, that's strange. I guess I forgot to turn it off. Galing ka sa trabaho, tapos may nakabukas sa TV. Baliw ka ba? Wala, may pumasok niyan dito sa bahay mo, boy. So, anong side quest? Wala. I'm tired, I'm going to bed today. Okay. Tulog na tayo, tapos papasukin tayo ng malaking katawang babae, tapos titirahin tayo patalikod. Okay. October 24. Again? Mag-lucid dream ba tayo? Panaginip pa to lahat? Hoy! Hoy! Bawal yan. So, dito yung daan natin. Uy! Kumbihira. Wait. Hello, Mr. Officer. How can I... What the freak, bro? Ganito ba talaga mga pulis? Like, laki ng katawan. I mean, di man sa laki ng katawan. Like, obese. Like, sobrang laki ng tiyan. I'm the police. Obviously, yeah, you're the police. What are you doing here at this hour? I'm on my way home. At this time of night? Of course, malay mo, call center ako or what? Kung trabaho ko pang gabi, tanga ka ba? You're suspicious. Why am I suspicious? Ano ba ginawa ko? But you don't seem to be lying. Yes? I can tell by the look of on your face. Let me see your face, bro. Para mahusgahan din kita. Tat. By the way, do you always go this way? Of course. Ito yung daan patungo sa aking tahanan. Ikaw ba? Yes, I always go this way on days when I have lectures at the university. Did you go this way 3 days ago? Malamang, dito lagi umuwi. Why do you ask me that? Tat. What the Okay, I think may nagawa tayong kasalanan. I don't know. Actually, there was a murder 3 days ago. Legit ba? Yung nakikinig ng balita eh. The victims were a couple. Good for them. The perpetrator first murdered his sleeping wife. Oh, such a nightmare, bro. The perpetrator kills her husband, who came back after that. The body was said to have been stabbed many times and was in an unsightly state. Bayakay mo na ako, sige. Okay. Did you see anyone suspicious on your way home? Well, may nakita ako, like, babaeng brusko, I think sa yon, boss. Well, let me explain. Like, laki sobrang katawan niya. Kaya kanya, kahit ikaw, kaya kanya lamugin sa isang suntok. Well, trust me. Kahit ganyan pa kalaki katawan mo, pwede kanya bigyan ng pasa sa isang suntok lang. I saw a man running. I saw a woman in red. A woman in red? The fuck? There were other sightings of the woman. Yes, of course. Perhaps it could be an important clue in that case. Japanese yan. Yes, Japanese horror game. Clue in that case, yeah. Ano siya? Like, yung parang sando siya na sando siya na damit, tas palda. Ewan ko kung anong damit yung boss, pero yeah, ganun yung suot niya. So, I guess, pwede kita tulungan kung para mahuli siya. I'd like to hear more about it at a later date. Okay. It's already late today, so go home early. Okay, boss. I will. Thank you. Oy. What the frick, bro? Ano, susundan mo ako? Oh, okay. Ano yung episode ng SpongeBob? Kung saan, Patrick, nakatayo siya dun sa may part na sa may poste, nakatayo siya. Beep! Basta yung ganun. Ang daming uwak. Dito ba si Fiddlesticks? I guess ito yung room natin. Goods? Yeah, all goods. Turn that our flashlight. I never thought there was a murder in my neighborhood. I don't want to go down that road again. Tat. Yun lang tanging daanan mo. Like, yun lang. Like, pwede ka ba mag-shortcut? I'm hungry. I wonder if there's something in the fridge. Okay. Turn your light. Close that. Okay, turn this on. Oh, isa yung fridge. Normal lang ba to? I mean, yeah, I guess, normal. Pagkain ba? Bro, ating gabi na, tapos may kumakatok. Wait lang! Open the door? No, we can't. Okay. Kumain lang tayo. My stomach was full. It's time to go to sleep. Wait lang, may tao sa pinto eh. I guess, wala. Tao ba? Yeah, wala. Yo, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Okay, pwede natin silipin. So, wala pa rin naman eh. Ano naman, tao? Hello? Sino yan? Uy! Oh! Si Wally! Hooded man. Tat. What's it for? Are you resigning? Yes, I am. Yes, that's right. Who are you? You better be careful. As I did. I've seen a strange woman standing in front of the door a few times. I guess ito na yung oras na mamamatay tayo. I don't know, ito na ba yung magtatago tayo? Like, hindi ko alam ano nang gagawin. Patay na lang tayo. It was very creepy, so I thought I should tell you about it. Ingat ka, boss. O kung Wally, kung sino ka man. Take care. Baka tabi ko lang siya ng room. Okay, pumasok na siya. Okay, lock the door. No, we can't. Amen. What? Bro, may uwak! Oh, man. Ba't may uwak na nalaglag dito? Oh, poor. Okay. I'm going to bed early. Bro, hayaan mo lang yung uwak dun sa gilid ng... Hayaan mo lang yung tumamang uwak ni Itachi. Okay. Meow, meow. So, another POV. Like, ibang POV ba to? Wife? You. Wife? I mean, okay, wife? You work overtime today? Ayun yung Red Hood. I mean yung kalbo si Wally. Yes. I've been busy with work lately. I won't be able to go home on time this month. More than that, what did you do? It's rare for you to call me. What's going on? I have an important story to tell you. I want to talk to you at home, so come home soon. Oh, I think ito yung magjowa na pinatay dun sa kanto. I mean, sa kanto, sa... Maybe yung kapitbahay mo, like, pinatay. Yeah, silang dalawa ata yun. Oh, ito nga yun. Oh, may flashlight din siya, may compliment. I'm home. Is my wife already sleeping? Uy! Bro! May tao dyan, may tao dito. Nakatakbo yung red woman. Red woman in dress. Kung sabihin nandun na siya. Ano naman ng fridge? Saan yung wifey? It's my freaking wife, bro. Give it back. Wifey? Wife. Toilet and bath. And laundry room. Can we open this? No, we can. So, I think akit tayo ng taas. Nakaklose. Nakaklose yung door, I guess. Wifey! Okay. Wifey, where are you? Baby, honey, yung tawagan nyo, love. I can open the door. Okay. Okay, di malak. I guess may susi dito. Nakapasok na ata siya. I guess bababa tayo, bro. Yung nipples ko basang-basa na sa pawis. Kinakabahan ako. Hoy! What the frick? Inugo! Lagyan natin ng manok. Labas tayo, labas tayo. No, I can't. Bro, matayo ako. I have chills right now. Oh, man! Hanggang dito? Saan siya? Bro, pinatay niya yung asawa ko. Oh, turn that off, turn that off. No, we can't. Please, don't, please don't. What? Oh, you mean this? What the frick? Yung babae yun. Oh, may nandito. I guess nandito siya. Behind the door? No. Oh. Baka sabi yung front door? Hindi. Makabukas yung pintuan sa taas. I don't know, bro. Bro, nagpapawisan talaga ako. Yung kilikili ko basang-basa na. And also yung utong ko. Basang-basa na sa pawis. Like, bro. Oh. What the frick? Bro, hindi ba siya develop na... Undeveloped pa siya na suma ng Cavite? Like, hindi ba siya naka-plastic? What the heck is this? Oh no. Kidding me? Wala. Pito yung asawa ko. Kidding me? Diyan ba siya? Oh man, what the freak, bro? Ayun na siya. Close the door. Bro, please. Wag te. Alam ko, kaya mo ko lamugin. Please, wag. Padiring mo kaya, bambira. Diba, pagsusuntok-suntok tayo? Takte, para tayo in All Might. Kung paano niya sinapak si Nomu. What the? Bro, at this hour? You could have visited me at this hour. Okay lang, open the lights. I'll open this also. Also open this. Oh, may patay ta. Oh, ibang POV na to. Tayo na to. Ito na yung bida. Like isang... Uy. Wala pong tao. Saan tayo pumunta? Saan ba siya? Pumasok siya dito. That woman is crazy. I have to call the police. Wait, tumawag tayo ng police. He said it would take 2 minutes for this police to arrive. Okay. I have to endure it for another 2 minutes. What the heck, bro? What the frick? Ano siya? I guess magtatakot tayo dito. I don't know. So 2 minutes daw. What the heck? Binasag niya yung salamin ko. Sinapak niya lang. Okay, dito siya lalabas. He said it would take 2 minutes for the police to arrive. I have to endure it for another 2 minutes. Okay, I think dito tayo sa bathroom. Okay, tago lang tayo dito. We'll be safe then. Bro, wala ka bang curtain? Like, dito ka magtago. Bro, please. Walang gym dito. Wala akong mga dumbbell. Barbell! Freak! Okay, I have to enjoy it for another 2 minutes. Well, I guess sa labas tayo. Come on. Please. Ay, lalabas tayo. Bababa tayo. Hindi tayo pwede tumawag ng kapitbahay. Like, please help me. Okay. Hindi tayo daan. Kasi doon yung magagaling. I don't know. Okay. Come here. Wala dito. Walang daan dito. Okay, dito sa skinita. Diba? No, bro, dead end. Huh? Manika. Oh, wait, thank you, little doll. Oh, bro, let's go. Show me something, bro. Come on. Show me something. Kaya na kita lamugin. Pukpukin ko martilyo mo, lalamugin ko yan. Let's go. Pakita ka sa akin. Bro, please. May muscle din siya. May muscle din siya sa binte. Telok ka. Buka ka siya eh. Nandiyan ka na, bumuka ka pa. Okay, dito tayo may kagagawan nun. Wala. Patay siya. Patay siya, guys. Patay. Let's go. Oh. The police arrived shortly. The police arrived shortly thereafter. The woman died. Self-defense was admitted and I was not caught. Oh, yeah. Self-defense yun. Like, bro, hammer lang yung gamit ko sa kanya. Yung muscle niya, kaya niya ako durugin yung mga buto ko. Like, gawin niya akong bulalo. It turned out that the murderer of the couple was the woman. Oh, see? Sabi ko na eh. Yeah, then, dun sa POV natin. She had a former affair with her husband who was killed in the incident. The police, okay, di ko na nabasa. Taktay, daldal kasi yan ng daldal. Good end. Okay, ibig sabihin may bad end. Oh yeah. Ano yung game na yun? So I think yung bad ending mahuli tayo. I don't know. So I think yun nga yung bad ending. So, yun nga, yung babaeng Brusco, like bro, may protina sa katawan, pati yung hips niya and also yung mga binti niya sa paa, pati kamay, pati yata pisngi, lalamunan, may mga muscle, like bro, kulado niya. Pwede niyo tayo durugin sa iyo 5 segundo, 3 segundo. Like sobrang laki. Like bro, nag-gym siya. Like pinag-training ko talaga to, pinaglaanan ko talaga to ng oras para bugbugin yung mag-couple na yun. Like bro, single ka ba? She's a bitter, bro. Ang bitter niya sa lahat. Pati tayo, putek te. Wala naman tayong jowa eh. Binugbog niya pa tayo. Like gusto niya tayo patayin. Well, I guess nakaligtas ako dun sa babaeng yun. And also, ano ba yung kwento nito? Saan ba nang galing? Like, urban legends ba siya? I don't know. Okay, well, let's see. Let's go. Yun lang. Ang game na to. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. And yeah, yun yung Akai Onna. Like, siya yung, well, dun pa lang sa intro, like sa pagtingin ko ng game dun sa Steam, nakita ko agad siya. Like, siya yung kalaban talaga. I swear, siya yung pumatay dun sa couple. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dun sa naka-hood. Yung hoodie man, red hood man. Yeah. Then, ayun, I think napatay natin siya. Well, may other ending siya. And comment kayo kung gusto nyo subukan natin yung other endings. Malay mo, diba? And maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Na-appreciate ko. 74 subscribers na tayo. Bye bye guys.